Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you're new here to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and this is the first time I've ever done a tag flip. Well, this one I'm actually calling a loaded envelope flip, but it's the same kind of idea. So I just made these cute little envelopes here out of 6x6 paper, but you could use any square sheet of paper like 8x8, 12x12, whatever you like. But these are just so adorable. And then I did make a little tassel over here, which I wasn't too sure about. I almost just cut the whole thing off completely, but then I just decided to keep it. So I have a few different eyelash trims here, some polka dot, pom-pom trim, and then I have some beads here and a little strawberry charm. And I have these little hearts with this tassel at the end. And it's just a cute little smaller tassel there. And so let's go ahead and look through the loaded envelopes. So this one here, I put "You Are Loved" on some foam tape, and I put some paper flowers here as well. This one is from the Dollar Tree, and that one's from Michael's. But you can see all of the fun little goodies just layered up inside of here. So I just put a sticker, and this is another sticker as well, "You're the Sweetest." And this is from Joann's. And then I just made this little file card, I guess. And it says "Today," and you could write here and on the back. And there's also pockets like in the very back where the lid part is. So I have just this little tag that says "Hello Spring." So those are just some fun little journaling goodies, but you can kind of see here what the envelope looks like. And so I'll show you the pockets too. So there's the inside there. You could put some goodies in. Obviously we have the main pocket here, but then there's also just some little pockets in the side pockets there. So you can put something in here and then in here as well. And then the back part there. So you can really load this up with a lot of things. So I'm just gonna put these all back really quick. So this one here, I just stuck into the slanted pocket. This one I stuck into this side pocket. And then this one's just in the very back. And then of course this one, I just stuck right in the lid portion. Just like that. So that's my first little loaded envelope. And I'll flip that one. This one I kept more simple because you don't have to utilize all of the extra pockets if you don't want to. So this one I just put a gift card inside, and it fits pretty perfectly. It's nice and snug in there. So, I mean, you don't have to worry about it falling out as long as you're not like flinging it around. So that's a perfect fit there. And then I just put "To Buy" here on the front. So you could keep it simple like that. We'll flip that. And then I have this one here, and I added these little hearts on the front, as well as just some more little stickers, strawberry themed, of course. And then I made my own little faux tea bag because you could probably just fit tea bags in here as well. So that's my strawberry tea. I do have a video of me making these faux tea bags, so I'll link that down below if you're interested. But they're just so cute. And then in the very back here, I just stuck a few more stickers and tags and things like that. I think my friend Jennifer gave this to me in Happy Mail, and it's a cute little tag. And I'm just gonna stick everything back in, and then we can go ahead and get right into creating one together. I forgot to mention that I did use the Dessert Moment paper pad here for this loaded envelope flip, and I got this from Temu. Today I'm going to be using the Violet Studio paper pad here, and I don't think these have names, but I got this from Joann's, and this one just has some bright floral prints. It has these cut aparts, and so I'll just pick out 3 of these, or 3 6x6 papers. And of course, you can choose to make as many envelopes as you want for your envelope flip, but I'm just going to stick with 3 today. So I'll just take one of my 6x6 papers, and all that we're going to do to create the envelopes is we're going to fold one corner over to the opposite corner. And we'll just get this triangle here. And all we're going to do is flip this to the longest straight edge here. And we're going to just line that up on our scoreboard. Now, I'm pretty much just going to fold these 2 ends in to create my envelope. So you could just eyeball it and fold it wherever you want it to go. But I'm going to score mine just so I have the same size envelope for all my envelopes here in this flip. So this straight edge here should be about 8.5 inches long. It may not be 8.5 exactly, but what I do is I kind of just hold this in the middle of 0 and 8.5 and kind of just center it. And then I'll go ahead and just score at 2.5 and 6 inches. So I'm going to do 2.5 here, and then 6 inches over here. And you can't really see it on this print, but that's what it's going to look like. So now I'm going to flip it back this way and just fold in my sides here. Just like that. So we're going to get a pocket here and one here, and then this main one behind those 2 flaps, and then there's going to be a pocket, of course, right inside here. So you have tons of room to load this up. And I'm really gonna burnish this with my scoring tool here. But that's pretty much it. So now I'm just going to open up my flaps and just pop some glue along the bottom here. And I'm gonna put this flap down first. It really doesn't matter which side you put down first. And then I'm going to just pop some more glue at the bottom here, just a little bit. I'm not going all the way. And then I'm going to pop some glue at the bottom here on my other flap. And then I'll just bring that over. Okay, so that's going to be my first envelope all set. And I'm just going to do that 2 more times with my other 6x6s. So again, just fold one corner over to the opposite corner. And then hold this at the 8.5 inch side, or just center it between the 0 and the 8.5. And we'll do 2.5 and 6 again. and just fold these over. Pop some more glue at the bottom. And on this edge as well. And then on this side, just a tad bit. And our last one here, same thing. All right, so I have my 3 envelopes here all set, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna move my scoreboard, and if you want to, I just took my little, what is this called? Corner rounder, and I just rounded the lid part here just because I like that look, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. But I'm just going to do that quickly to all my envelopes there. Then I'm going to grab my hole punch here and just punch a hole at the top of each of my envelopes. Just like that. And you can put your little eyelets in, of course. I only have the grommets, which are a bit bigger, so I'm not even going to bother with those today. And then I just use these little book rings here from the Dollar Tree to put it together. So I think I'll just do, maybe I want this one first. I'll just put them in order, open this up, and string them through. And there's my little flip. So it's pretty fast and easy once you get the hang of it. And you can put little ephemera pieces inside, stickers. I'm going to take one of the cut aparts from this paper pad, and that is a perfect little fit in here. So you're the best. I'm going to stick this little Be Happy label right on the front of the envelope. I have these, whoa, beautiful butterfly stickers from Temu. That's what they look like. And I'll stick that in this little angled pocket here on the side. Any kind of smaller ephemera pieces can go in here for a crafty friend. I don't even know if this one will fit in the back here. Let me just try. I guess it sort of does. So, and we even have just this last little side pocket that I didn't fill up, but I'll probably just do that for now. And we can flip that. Again, you can just keep it simple and stick one thing in the back, like a gift card. If you have like even just a small pack of maybe some sequins, or maybe you make your own sequin mixes and want to give some to a friend, you could just package up a small little baggie and stick that inside as well. I mean, so long as it can still fit and everything can still flip. But yeah, just other ideas. I might just steal my little tea bag here and stick that inside here. That would be so cute, just like a single tea bag. And then you could add even some more stickers inside of the angled pockets there. I have this pack also from Violet Studio from Joann's. It was just a bunch of stickers. That's what they look like. I dumped them all out, so there's that little pack. This is one of them. So, you know, you could send along some tea and then just some fun little journaling goodies. There's a cute little envelope. I can stick that into the side pocket over on this side. I'm just going to stick Cultivate Kindness onto the envelope here. And that's probably all I'm going to do for this one. So even if you don't like things poking out of the lid portion here, you don't have to fill that up. Just fill up what you want. So you can do simple, you can do something very layered and beautiful like this. And you can even add your own tassels here on the ring, your own dangles, charms and beads, whatever you like. I think I'm just going to leave this one without a tassel since I was just so unsure about the tassel on this one. But I think both of them came out super cute. But anyway, I hope that you all have enjoyed this tutorial today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to say hi to you. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!